everyone, Storm Door Guy here. Today I am going to explain how to fur out a single side light on a door. So we have a door here. This window right here is called a side light window, or a side light, and this door jamb right here is set back. It's not flush like this. If you look at it from this side, we have about 1.25 inch gap. Now we need to build this door jamb out so it's flush with the top here, because that's where the storm door is going to set. So what you're going to need is a 2x4 ripped down to a depth of 1.25 inches, or whatever the measurement from here to here is, whatever your depth is. And typically a 2x4 is actually 1.5 inches wide, which is exactly what you need. So you probably won't have to do anything with that on a storm door. So I've already pre-cut this piece. It goes all the way down and looks like so. I'm going to mount that, and then I am good to go with installing a storm door. You just want to make sure this is relatively flush. If you're off by 1/16 of an inch, you're fine. Okay, so I've got my piece of Firring mounted. Kind of looks like so. I used a brad nailer to put in some 3-inch finish nails right there. And as you can see on this door, kind of looks like that right now. You just want to make sure you have 36 inches from this point all the way to the other side of your exterior trim or brick molding. Now, after this, I like to put in some 3-inch brass screws. So I will pre-drill to the inside of the door a little bit. That way, when I put my frame on, it's going to cover those screws. And yeah, I know the frame's upside down. So, all right, hope that helps.